Hi guys! So today I'm going to tell you about our personal AI assistant that you can build within the platform agniiAI, and you can use it as for your personal needs as for your business life. And I'm very excited to tell about this with you. So now I'll actually show you how it works from the inside. Let's go. As you can see on the screen, there is a main assistant. It's our agent. And here below we have the email agent, the calendar agent, contact agent, and content creator agent. So here we also have a tablet for the web search, and also we have the memory, so it remembers what you asked him for the previous time, and also OpenAI chat model. It's basically the brains of our agent. Now I'll show you how these four sub-agents are looking from the inside. So the first one is going to be the content agent. So you see here that we have also OpenAI, it's like brains, the think part of our agent. Here is the tablet, it's the web search, and here our request comes and goes to our main workflow. So the next one is going to be the contact agent. So here we have also OpenAI as previously, then we have the Airtable. Airtable is basically our database, it's our CRM system. It can get contacts from there and it can also add them and update them. Then we have the next email agent. Let's check. So here our email agent is able to send emails, reply to emails, label emails, create drafts, get emails, get labels, mark as in read. Also we have same OpenAI as brains. And same here, our request comes and here it goes to our main workflow, the answer, so we have it in our bot. Next one is going to be the calendar. And it updates events, it can delete events, it can get events, and also it can create events. Also create events with attendee, with OpenAI as in previous. So inside of our all agents is the main part. We have here the prompt, the system message, and it's basically, it says very exactly this workflow this agent should do. So here, for example, you're a skilled AI blog writer specializing in engaging both structured and informative content. You are writing style in clear, compelling, and tailored to the target audience. You optimize for credibility, SEO, and value, ensuring blogs are well-researched, original, and free of fluff. Also, we have tools and blog reminders. So in our main assistant here, we have a system message that says to every workflow what exactly it should do. Because we don't want to create the whole workflow like the one with the multiple tasking, because it's not going to be structured. So here, as we can see, we have an ROU, tools, and examples. So basically in this prompt we tell, if we have the situation, you need to call the email agent. If we have this situation, you need to call the content agent. So we have another workflow, so everything is in order here. So how it works actually, here from our bot in Telegram, we are taking the message. I'll show you in a second how it actually works in real life. Then if you are going to send a voice message, it comes here. It then loads our file and the voice is basically coming towards through this node. Then it goes as a request to our assistant. Our assistant decides which tool it wants to ask, and if I asked for the email address, it will go to the email agent. If I asked for the email address, it will go to the contact agent. If I asked to create some blog, it will go to the content creator. And then when, for example, I asked for the blog, it goes to the content creator agent and it asks this tool to do it. Then the result comes back to the agent and we have our response in Telegram bot. And now I'll show you how exactly it works. How the bot is taking our request and giving us the answer. So we will go to our bot now. The bot is located in Telegram and we will write it. So here I already have some requests. I'll just copy that and I'll paste it. It doesn't really matter what exactly we are asking. So here I'm asking to create a blog about Fashion Week in Dubai. So now I'll put test workflow. It got my message, as you can see, because it's a text, it went here down, and then in a second it already made a request to a specific content agent. Here the request is to create a blog, so it understood that it needed to be sent to the content agent. And also it went first to the OpenAI to understand what exactly tool it needs to take. And now we have a response. So here you can see we have Fashion Week in Dubai. I mean, I didn't mention the year, so it doesn't really matter. Here we have 2023, but whatever. Celebration of style innovation. Design involves trending styles, themes, everything. So yeah, we have the whole information. Amazing. So we checked how our content agent works, and now we will try to use our email agent, also contact agent, and also OpenAI and memory as always. Now I will send the voice message actually. Hi, can you please send an invite to Tom for the 22nd at 9 p.m. to a party for 2 hours. Thank you. So it got my voice message, yes, it got it, and I'm putting the test workflow. Our message got it because it's the voice message, it's going up, and it's giving the request to our main assistant. And now we're going basically to the contact agent because I said to send the request to Tom, but it doesn't know the email of the Tom. I didn't say it, so it needs to figure it out from the database. And you know what's interesting? That basically in the sentence I said, there is a time and a place, so it also can put this invitation to my calendar. And as we already have it in our prompt, we can check our calendar. So let's see. So see, we have, because it's different time schedule, so I mean different time zones. Here it's 9 p.m. 22nd, we have it. And email also has been sent to the address. And address was taken from the contact bot. So it's all connected from the inside of agniiAI and our assistant. And you know what is also really very important? Inside of them, in our agents, when you create every of them, like email agents, we are creating it in another workflow. So all of them should be connected because we are putting the triggers to the sub workflow. And all of them are connected because we are putting the triggers to trigger the sub workflow, but actually they are all laying in the different workflows. Here, when it says from workflow, from list, we need to pick up which exact agent we are here using. Because if we are going to pick, for example, another one, so here we have a mail agent, meaning here we also need to take a mail agent. We are clicking on it and then it's going to work. So same with our contact agent. Here's our contact agent. It's very important because in another way, it will not give the request to the task, to do the task to go to another workflow. And it cannot be done. So this is exactly how our workflow works. I hope you will also be able to install it because all of our workflows will be in the link under this video. I was very happy to share this information to you guys. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.